أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ويصنع الفلك وكلما مر عليه ملأ من قومه سخروا منه قال إن تسخروا منا فإنا نسخر منكم كما تسخرون.
As he was building the ark, whenever some of his people passed by him, they ridiculed him. He said, "If you ridicule us, we will ridicule you, just as you ridicule."
فسوف تعلمون من يأتيه عذاب يخزيه ويحل عليه عذاب مقيم.
You will surely know upon whom will come a torment that will abase him, and upon whom will fall a lasting torment.